going on, y'all? How y'all doing on today? I hope each and every one of you are doing well. I had to come and bring you all this video. In this video, I am styling this wig that I was sent from Mslynn HAIR. Big shout out to Mslynn HAIR for sending me out this wig. I truly appreciate it. So they did send me out their water wave textured wig. I got a 13x4 lace frontal unit. I did ask for a 250% density on the packaging. It did say it was 250% density, but to me it feels more like a 180. So not sure if I got a 180 or if this is just the density that they make their 250s, but me personally it felt like a 180. And I believe the length that I had was a 24-inch. I do know that this wig was, it has a slight curl to it with it being water wave. But to me, it felt more like a 20 or a 22-inch. But they did tell me it was a 24-inch. This wig did come with 3 combs, an adjustable band. I did go in and bleach the knots myself. And I did also go in to pluck the hairline. I wanted to jazz up my baby hairs today, so I did like some S curls or some little swirls in my baby hair. So if this is not your style of baby hairs, I understand. I love experimenting with my baby hairs. I love baby hairs. Not everybody loves them, but I love them. So I just wanted to have fun with it and do something a little different than the standard swoops. So yeah, this wig was easy to style. I decided to do just an easy old flip over. You can never go wrong with a flip over. And yeah, of course I did install this wig with bedhead hardhead spray. And yeah, y'all know how I put on my wig, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy all of the clips.
To get that no my late days tonight. She will be my alibi to keep the police off me. But that ain't right. What am I playing tonight? Rules that's for me to sing a lady unless she can be my A-N-G-L. Rules that's for me to sing a lady unless she can be my A-N-G-L.
All right, y'all. So I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of the information for this wig and this company is in the description box if you are interested. Again, thank you to Mslynn HAIR for sending me out this wig. I greatly appreciate it. If any of you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please be sure to leave them down below. Also, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Talk to you guys later. Bye.